question says that two insulated charged copper spheres A and B have their centers separated by a distance of 50 centimeter. What is the mutual force of electrostatic repulsion if the charges on each is 6.5 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb? The radii of A and B are negligible compared to the distance of separation. So the question is talking about two charged spheres, and we have been given that the radii of A and B are negligible compared to the distance of separation, so we can treat those sphere as the particle with a charge of 6.5 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb, and they are separated by 50 centimeter. So what is the mutual force of electrostatic repulsion? Since both the charges have same magnitude and same sign, so the force would be repulsive force. Now the magnitude of force can be given by Coulomb's law, that is given by K times Q1 Q2 divided by R square, where Q1 and Q2 are the charges on both the spheres and R is the distance of separation between them. So the magnitude of force would be 0.01 into 0.0152 Newton. Now since both the charges Q1 and Q2 are of same sign, so the force will be repulsive. The second question says that what is the force of repulsion if each sphere is charged double the amount and the distance between them is halved? Now the case is the charges have been doubled, that is Q1 is now 2Q1 and Q2 is now 2Q2 and R is now R by 2. So initially when the charges were Q1, Q2 and the distance of separation was R, we termed the force as F. Now the new force F dash would be equal to 16 times F. So because the 2 multiplied by 2 equal to 4, and now R square would be R by 4. Now 4 will go in the numerator and will give us 16. So F dash would be 16 times the initial force and of magnitude 0.2432 Newton. Thank you.